We are about to see AI, your life, everywhere. So let's go.
This is our small form factor wash and dryer mini combo. This product have earned the CES 2025 Innovation Award.
We have our meal planner. It's my whole view of the week here. You can autofill with AI, and bam, it is filled in all of those missing gaps, and I have an entire week.
What you're seeing here is just Hisense's innovation, from AC to refrigeration to making your home more efficient with our solutions.
One of the good things about our outdoor unit that's really popular for our company is this works in extreme cold temperatures. So this will get you to negative 32 degrees Fahrenheit and it will still give you hot air. So even if you live way up north in North Canada, you will be just fine. You'll stay warm. Or, you know, if in the summers down in South Florida, you'll stay really cool.
For the fact that you can actually, with that white blue light, you have a lot of eye strain. We're able to reduce that eye strain by about 40%, so our customers can watch TV a lot more. This is showcasing how the light, see how the light is actually the color and not just that white bright light. So it actually, by adjusting that color volume, with simultaneous light and color management, we can give this perfect color picture on our mini LED TV.
Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for taking this journey with me throughout this amazing Hisense booth here at CES 2025. We'll see you next year.